Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best solutions for your everyday needs. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best craft storage drawers plastic organizer available right now. The Iris USA Plastic Storage Drawers 24-Drawer Stackable Organizer Cabinet. If you've ever found yourself digging through toolboxes, junk drawers, or bins looking for small hardware parts, craft supplies, beads, or office essentials, then this is the solution you didn't know you needed. The Iris USA 24-Drawer Organizer is built to solve the chaos of tiny item storage. It's a multi-purpose cabinet, perfect for both professional settings and home use, from garage tools to teacher classrooms, from fishing lures to sewing notions, and even Lego bricks or sticker collections. This unit comes with 24 drawers housed in a compact yet spacious black plastic frame. The exterior dimensions are 19.5 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and 15.5 inches high, which means it doesn't take up too much room, yet gives you ample storage for those tiny but important items. Each drawer measures approximately 6 by 4 by 2 inches, ideal for categorizing parts without overstuffing. What sets this organizer apart is its flexibility and placement. You can stack multiple units thanks to the built-in grooves on top that lock securely with one another. Or, if you prefer to save desk space, you can wall mount it using the mounting holes at the back, a fantastic option for workshops or classrooms with limited counter real estate. Now let's talk about build quality. The drawers and the frame are both made of durable, high-quality plastic. Despite being lightweight, this unit feels sturdy. The drawers glide smoothly in and out, giving you easy access to whatever's inside. There's no sticking or jamming, and the translucent material lets you peek inside each compartment without having to open it. Another bonus: it's made in the USA using recyclable materials. So not only are you organizing efficiently, but you're also making a sustainable choice. This cabinet is not just practical, it's also a time saver. When everything has its place, you waste less time searching and more time doing. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a crafter, a teacher, or someone who just loves to keep things in order, this organizer brings calm to your chaos. At a price point of $39.99, it offers excellent value considering the durability, design, and utility it brings. And yes, there are larger versions too, including 36, 44, or even 64 drawer options if your storage needs grow. But for most people, this 24-drawer version hits the sweet spot between size and storage. In conclusion, the Iris USA 24-Drawer Stackable Organizer Cabinet is an absolute winner in the category of plastic craft storage drawers. It's versatile, compact, durable, and ready to transform your workspace from cluttered to clean. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews that help you shop smarter. See you in the next one.